Ever pondered on the idea of using technology to play a harmless prank on your friend? Well, ponder no more. Today we're diving into the realm of tech pranks, where mischief meets the digital world. All in good fun, of course. Our first prank takes us to the world of smartphones. Ever heard of the Fake Update app? It's a harmless prank app that displays a never-ending update screen on your friend's phone. Simply download the app, choose the operating system, and hit Start. The next time your friend unlocks their phone, they'll be met with an update screen that never progresses. A harmless yet hilarious way to give your tech-savvy friends a minor heart attack. Next up, we have a classic computer prank, the desktop screenshot. Here's how it works. Take a screenshot of your friend's desktop, then set that screenshot as their desktop wallpaper. Now, hide all their actual icons. When your friend tries to click on their icons, they'll be clicking on their wallpaper. It's a simple yet effective way to leave them scratching their heads. Our third prank is a fun twist on autocorrect. Most smartphones have an autocorrect feature that automatically corrects misspelled words. But did you know you can customize this feature? Go into your friend's phone settings, find the keyboard settings, and add a new shortcut. Change a common word like okay to something absurd like, I'm a dancing unicorn. The next time they type okay, it'll autocorrect to, I'm a dancing unicorn. A perfect prank for text-loving friends. Lastly, we have the mouse prank. Simply plug a wireless mouse into your friend's computer when they're not looking. Then, sit back and control their mouse from afar. They'll be left bewildered, trying to figure out why their mouse has a mind of its own. And there you have it, 4 tech pranks that are sure to bring a dose of fun and confusion to your friend's day. From a never-ending update screen and a desktop wallpaper illusion, to an absurd autocorrect and a possessed mouse, these pranks are not only easy to execute, but also completely safe. Remember, the goal is to induce laughter, not frustration. So, have fun with your pranks, but always be respectful of your friend's boundaries. So, ready to add a sprinkle of mischief to your friend's day? With these tech pranks, you're sure to be the life of the party, or at least the life of the chat room. Until next time, keep the fun alive and keep the pranks harmless.